CNCColgar Machinery Manufacturing Company Limited is a rapidly growing company, a modern enterprise focusing on sales and service in the entire field of sheet metal processing equipment. Our cooperation factory covers an area of 23,800 square meters, production station of 23,000 square meters, located in Bowang, Ma'an Shan, Anhui Province. Colgar has a highly educated, young and professional team dedicated to the sales of shearing, bending, grooving, laser cutting, and stamping equipment. We provide you with comprehensive and reasonable sheet metal processing solutions and also accept customization, including OEM and ODM orders. Our products are widely used in aviation, metallurgy, shipbuilding, automobiles, bridges, petroleum and other production fields, and are exported to the EU, America, Africa, Southeast Asia, the Middle East. We have long-term cooperation and common development with international partners, with scientific management, reliable quality, novel design, reasonable prices, and professional services. Colgar's machines comply with EU standards. We also have a professional documentation department that provides a series of documents required for customs clearance, such as packing lists, bills of lading, certificates of origin issued by the China Customs or the China Council for the Promotion of International Trade, like Form E, Form F, Form A, and other documents. Our business philosophy is that quality changes the world and service creates value. Sincerely look forward to developing together with you. Welcome to visit at any moment.
CNCColgar focuses on metal processing machines, locates the high-end market. Advanced technology and modern management keep us at the forefront of industry development, and we are still looking for cooperation with more agents. Our business philosophy: quality changes the world, service creates value. Waiting for joy, sincerely looking forward to develop with you together.